Personalizing your hybrid camper. DIY modifications for custom comfort. When it comes to camping in your hybrid camper, personalization is key to creating a space that reflects your unique style and maximizes comfort. With a few DIY modifications, you can transform your hybrid camper into a cozy and functional home away from home. In this article, we'll explore various DIY modifications that allow you to personalize your hybrid camper and enhance your camping experience. 1. Bed upgrades. A comfortable bed is essential for a good night's sleep while camping. Consider upgrading the existing mattress to a high-quality memory foam or gel-infused mattress for superior comfort. You can also add extra padding or a mattress topper to enhance the support and softness. Additionally, customizing your bedding with cozy sheets, blankets, and pillows in your favorite colors and patterns will not only provide comfort but also add a touch of personal style to your sleeping area. 2. Storage solutions. Efficient storage is vital in a hybrid camper to keep your belongings organized and easily accessible. Look for unused spaces that can be converted into storage areas. Utilize vertical space by installing hanging storage pockets or shelves on the walls. Consider adding under-bed storage containers or utilizing storage ottomans that can double as seating. Customizing your storage solutions allows you to efficiently pack and access your essentials, making camping life more convenient. 3. Kitchen upgrades. The kitchen is the heart of any camper, and personalizing it can greatly enhance your camping experience. Install a backsplash to protect the walls and add a touch of style to the kitchen area. Consider adding extra countertop space by using foldable or removable countertop extensions. Upgrade your kitchen appliances, such as the stove or refrigerator, to modern and efficient models. You can also install hooks or racks to hang utensils, pots, and pans for easy access. Personalizing your kitchen space will make cooking and meal preparation a breeze while reflecting your culinary preferences. 4. Lighting ambience. Lighting plays a significant role in creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere in your hybrid camper. Consider replacing harsh overhead lights with softer LED lights or string lights to create a warm ambience. Install dimmer switches to adjust the brightness according to your preference. You can also add reading lights near the beds or seating areas for convenience. Customizing the lighting in your camper allows you to create the perfect mood for relaxing evenings or cozy nights spent indoors. 5. Functional workstations. If you require a workspace or a designated area for hobbies or activities, consider incorporating functional workstations in your hybrid camper. Install a foldable desk or table that can be easily tucked away when not in use. Create a crafting or sewing corner with storage for supplies and a comfortable chair. If you enjoy writing or journaling, create a cozy nook with a small table and a comfortable chair near a window. Customizing functional workstations ensures that you have dedicated spaces for your hobbies and activities while on the road. 6. Entertainment options. Make your hybrid camper a haven of entertainment by personalizing it with various options. Install a wall-mounted TV or a retractable TV stand for movie nights or watching your favorite shows. Consider adding a sound system with built-in speakers for immersive audio experiences. You can also create a small library with your favorite books or magazines. Personalizing your entertainment options allows you to relax and unwind in your hybrid camper with your preferred form of entertainment. 7. Outdoor living enhancements. Camping is not just about the interior, it's also about embracing the outdoor living experience. Personalize the exterior of your hybrid camper by adding an awning for shade and protection from the elements. Create an outdoor seating area with comfortable chairs, a folding table, and even a portable fire pit for cozy evenings under the stars. You can also install outdoor speakers for enjoying music or creating a lively ambience while spending time outside. Customizing your outdoor living space enhances your overall camping experience and encourages you to spend more time in the fresh air. 8. Tech upgrades. If you enjoy technology and want to stay connected while camping, consider incorporating tech upgrades in your hybrid camper. Install USB charging ports near the beds and seating areas for convenient charging of electronic devices. Upgrade the RV's audio system to support Bluetooth connectivity for seamless music streaming. Additionally, consider installing a Wi-Fi booster or mobile hotspot to ensure a reliable internet connection. Personalizing your tech upgrades allows you to stay connected and enjoy modern conveniences while still embracing the camping lifestyle. 9. Pet-friendly features. If you're camping with pets, personalizing your hybrid camper to accommodate their needs is important. Create a designated sleeping area or bed for your furry companion. Install pet-friendly flooring or use removable rugs to protect the RV's floor and make it more comfortable for your pet. Set up hooks or shelves to store pet supplies, such as leashes, toys, and food bowls. Adding pet-friendly features ensures that your beloved pet feels right at home during your camping adventures. 10. Exterior personalization. Lastly, don't forget to personalize the exterior of your hybrid camper to make it stand out and reflect your personal style. Consider adding decals, stickers, or custom paint jobs to give your RV a unique look. You can also hang wind chimes, planters, or outdoor decor that resonates with your aesthetic preferences. Personalizing the exterior creates a sense of ownership and pride in your hybrid camper while making it easily recognizable and memorable. Personalizing your hybrid camper with DIY modifications allows you to create a comfortable and customized space that suits your needs and preferences. From upgrading the sleeping area to enhancing storage solutions and personalizing the kitchen and entertainment options, there are endless possibilities to make your camper feel like a home away from home. By incorporating these modifications, you'll be able to enjoy the freedom of the open road while enjoying the comfort and personal touch of your personalized hybrid camper.